Hey guys, welcome back. So today I am going to be doing some cleaning around the house. It's really messy. I have all of this Dollar Tree stuff that I showed you guys in a previous haul. I need to clean all of this up, and then I need to go over here in my living room office space and clean it up. I want to make some changes to the space. I want to like move the furniture around. I'm not really sure how I want to switch it around. I'm just tired of looking at it this way. I feel like it needs some work. So yeah, I don't know. And I have this mirror down here that I need to take back upstairs. But yeah, it's kind of messy in here, especially my office space. Look at my desk. Oh man. And then I have this. I had a mirror right here, like hiding all of this stuff, but I took it upstairs because I was just, using it in my bedroom. So it's like, should I bring it back down? Because I really don't want it here anymore. I really need it upstairs, but I don't know.
Wasting my time with too many reflections. Yeah. And since you've been gone, I've been trying to fix me. And I'm getting there. Yeah, I'm getting there. Lately I've seen you on television. Yeah, it feels like I'm watching you from a prison. And I want to hold myself in my own arms at night. But I'm moving on. Yes, I'm moving on. You're so troubling. I must find my way to make this stop. Yes, I'm stumbling, but I will find someone to raise me up. Running around like I don't know directions. Staying at home like I don't feel affection. And everyone's right when they say that I'll be moving on in time. That I'm getting there. Lately I've heard you on radio stations. And I love your voice, so I just feel frustration. And everyone's right when they say that I'll be moving on in time. Yes, I'm moving on. You're so troubling. I must find my way to make this stop. Yes, I'm stuck.
Hey guys, so it is the next day. I had to stop recording. Well, yeah, I had to stop recording last night because my battery died. So I just went ahead and vacuumed and switched the furniture around. I used to have this sofa on this side, so I decided to put it back here because when I am recording, and I do want to record in my office, so when I'm sitting here I have the light coming in from the window. And yeah, it's just better that way. But I decided to go ahead and keep this on the wall and just add another row because I have 3 more. So it'll, I want it to look right. I didn't want to just keep it like this and then I'll have to maybe put something in front of it. So I'm like, you know what, let me just put the last 3 on here, and then I need to go and put the gems in the middle. So I just wanted to show you what I'm working on so far.
I go anywhere with you, 'cause you fill my mind, or you fill my mind. We could build a dream, start up something new. Let the old be dead, let the shadows leave my head. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? Till we fall asleep. The night is young. Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? Till we fall asleep. The night is young. Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat. I could stay awake till the night is through, with you by my side, with you by my side. Though we've only met, let me dive into your ocean with my heart open. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? Till we fall asleep. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? Till we fall asleep. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? Till we fall asleep. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat. Do it on repeat.
Alright guys, so I just want to update you on the space. So this is what it looks like right now, and I took the coffee table that was in the family room out and put it here because I like it so much more, and I plan to put a different coffee table in the family room anyways. I'm thinking about an ottoman. Not sure yet, I haven't found the right piece, but yeah, I definitely want to keep this in here because I love the way it looks. So yeah, and then I have my pillows. I might change these out. I'm still searching for some different pillows. I like these pillows, but they do shed a lot. I got them from Ross. And then I have my wall display of panels. Really love the way this looks. It's so pretty. And I went ahead and put the desk in the middle of the room, and I love it so much more now. It feels so good, and I'm gonna tell you why. Well, before we talk about that, let's go here. So I plan to put a plant right here. I need to go and get one from Lowe's because I do want to, you know, put a real plant in this space. Not sure if I'm gonna keep this stand, but it just depends on, you know, the height of the plant that I purchased. So yeah, I'm gonna update you guys when I completely finish because I'm not done. I just wanted to show you what's going on so far, but I will be back to update you guys. And then I have this cabinet over here. I showed you guys these items like the cabinet, this wall art in a previous haul, but I got this from Kirkland's and I revamped it with the knobs because the original knobs were like really basic and brown and very ugly to me, and I wanted to glam it up some, so I replaced it with these knobs that I found at TJ Maxx, I believe. Yeah, I believe I was at TJ Maxx. So nice. It really gave this piece an updated look. It looks so beautiful, and I just have some decor. I'm going to switch this stuff up. I just, you know, put it here for now, but I do want to go and find like more gold decor pieces because I am doing mixed metals in here, so I do want to like kind of play around with this a little bit more. Then I have my desk, and I really love the desk being in the middle because now I can just sit at my desk. I can look out the window. If the kids are outside playing in the front yard, I can see them. When I had the desk pushed up, I couldn't see, like just turn my head and see out of the window to watch my kids. Now I can, and I just love the scenery. Just being able to look outside and see the beautiful flowers and the trees, the greenery, nature. I just love it so much. And I don't like to keep a lot of stuff on my desk, so just the things that I need: a notebook, pen, you know, picture of my family. And I decided to go ahead and put the screen in the corner instead of in the middle because I have the mirror here and I can't see in the mirror if the computer is going to be blocking it. And I really love the look, being able to see, you know, just behind me the beautiful wall art, and of course the selfies are like really nice. And if you follow me on Instagram, then you have already seen the selfies. They have started, yes, because I love the space. So yeah. And I have the lamps on the floor because I'm still looking for some stands to sit them on. I am just really debating on what I want to do with this space. I do know I want to keep the mirror here, and I do need extra lighting, so I'm going to either find some stands or get some floor lamps. But more than likely I'll just find some cute stands to sit the lamps on and, you know, be done with it, because I do like the way it looks. So yeah. And then the dining room is nice and clean. I do need to move that planter and the picture frames out of the space and find somewhere else to put them. But I had those frames on this wall. I had this wall art on this wall, and I love this art so much I decided to purchase two. One for the office and then the dining room. So yeah, that's what I have going on so far, guys. I will update you guys, of course. I was debating on if I wanted to just show you guys right now or just wait until I'm completely finished, but I am never completely finished because I am always redecorating. But yeah, all I need to do is find something to sit these lamps on and, you know, get some more gold decor pieces, and I'll be done with this space, at least for now. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and do so. That'll be so awesome. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.